Welcome to section 2, Programming Graph and Network Data Visualizations. In this section, we will learn how to programmatically create interactive network graphs and visualizations using the NetworkX Python package. We will get started with how to set up NetworkX in our Python programming environment. We will demonstrate NetworkX by creating a network graph on few datasets. Welcome to the first video of this section, setting up and getting started with NetworkX. In this video, we are going to introduce NetworkX and how to set it up in our Python environment. NetworkX is a Python package for the creation, manipulation, and study of the structure, dynamics, and functions of complex networks. Using NetworkX, you can create and visualize network data in a beautiful and instructive way. Some of the examples are network graphs that are possible with NetworkX. To install NetworkX in your environment, you need to open your command line program. In the command line program, to install NetworkX, you need to type pip install NetworkX and press enter to execute this command. This will automatically install NetworkX for you in your Python programming environment. For this demo purpose, we are using Python 3. If you see any permissions or access denied errors, please run your command line program as an admin user. Now you have installed NetworkX, you are ready to create beautiful and elaborate network graphs with NetworkX. This concludes our video. In this video, we introduced NetworkX. We saw how to set it up in our Python environment using the command line program and pip Python installer.